going for the voters ID card.
What is ID card?
Yes.
At where?
As what head said, anybody that is interested for the voters ID card, the person should come for it and go.
Okay, then we won't find a time and party. But before that, if I may ask, this year election, who is going to win? Is it Mahama or Baumia?
Guy, you are talking of this year's election. As for me, I'm afraid to.
Why?
Because the way things are going on, this year's election is going to be serious.
It's true. That was even my thinking. Because if you can recall last 4 years' records, a lot of people lost their lives and some were seriously injured. And I cannot also afford to lose my life just like how they lost theirs. And due to that, I've promised myself not to do election for this year.
So you are even talking of not to vote? For me, I will vote, but I must go along with weapons to protect myself in order not to be killed, like how others were killed last 4 years.
Can you guys just listen to me for a minute? Didn't you know that this year election is gonna be free and fair?
Free and fair? In what way?
Are you not aware that when there is a will, there is a way? Government is to ensure that measures are put in place to make 2024 election peaceful. To comment, millions of soldiers will be circulating areas where voting will be held. In addition, drones will be set on space to capture all secret things around voting centers. Besides, there will be an independent electoral commission who will declare the true results of the conduct.
Wow! We were once lost, but now we are found. To add up with what my sister just said, to ensure free and fair election, the registration process must be free and fair, and the nomination process too must be free and fair. Equal right to media.
The IOPAC should involve all political parties. The NCC should embark on voter education, inclusive of international and domestic election observers.
What you guys have said is true, but take note of this. In order for us to avoid the killing and injury of people, none of you should be seen wearing party dress to the voting center during voting. Let's forget about things and trust this year election. The best way to beat an elephant is to do it one bite at a time. When two elephants fight, it's the grass that suffers. So let's do well and do unity voting in 2024.
Peaceful election.
We
Fight
fight
for.
for.